Hello everybody, this is TI doing a member requested video chart on CBIS. You can watch this in high definition, just expand the video and select 720p. CBIS is very popular. You can see the increase in volume that's come into the stock lately. There's a vote coming up on the 2nd that has some impact on this stock, so there's a lot of speculation taking place. Today's increase in buying volume was good. Prior to today, the last 6 days, 5 out of the 6 were bearish. So to see some bulls come back in and to have it bounce off of support here around the 15-cent range is a good sign. To get continuation, we'll need to see an increasing volume bar tomorrow. Okay, so look for something like this action in through here. If we get that, then resistance is going to be in the mid twos, and after that it'll be obviously your previous high of 26. So you can see that resistance back on the chart here from March through June. All right, it really needs to challenge these levels in the near future if it's going to break before the news comes out in the 2nd. Obviously, if the vote is bad, then it could have some bearish implications on the stock. So if you're thinking short-term trade, swing trade on this, I believe this is probably why it bounced today. I think people are looking at trades between 15 and 26 as being pretty safe, only because it held it after the previous run. It went up again right around 23 and pulled back. So I think people are probably looking at this as a good spot to gobble up shares in anticipation of the 2nd. So that's your support. Your support after that is going to be your MA20 at 12 and then your MA50 below. So I really like how the MA20 is catching up. Traders have held this up pretty high for quite some time. It's held retracement. That's a bullish sign. Right? Anytime it's above the MA20 on a big run like this, that's good. And when it spikes so quickly that the MA20 can't catch up, we have to use the retracement tool. And I've talked about that in previous video charts. I like how the Williams %R is bouncing off of the 50 line. You get that period of overbought here, and then it pulls back. And it bounces up into overbought again, and then pulls back, and it bounces up a little weaker on this run this time. And you can see that on the candles. All right, the previous run got right up here. And then we pulled back, and the next run wasn't as strong. Okay, so that is a concern, but we talked about how the bears were really controlling the stock through here. So, my prediction is that the bulls are going to take over tomorrow. I don't know how long they're going to continue to be in the stock, but I think we're going to see CBIS close green tomorrow. So keep it on watch. That's just my guess. The only reason I say that is because, the Williams %R is holding that 50 line nicely, and the RSI is turning off the 50 line. Bullish increase in volume today, and I think it's going to happen again tomorrow. So shares should trade back up into the 23-cent range tomorrow, and if they can get past that and past 26, then there's no reason why it shouldn't get into the 30s very easily. But this is, in fact, pretty difficult resistance right now, 23 to 26. So let's see if it can get through there first. Again, my name is TI. I hang out over at the Penny Stock Express. Hopefully you'll stop by and join today. Good luck on CBIS, everybody. I know there's a lot of anticipation on that vote. Hopefully it goes well for you. Take it easy. Here's my disclosure.